Thanks, Sharon. Hi, everyone. I hope you can hear me. My name is Evan, and for anyone who doesn't know, I'm the Member Engagement Coordinator for Carbon 613. The Sustainability Leadership Award is presented to the Carbon 613 member who showed the greatest commitment to improving sustainability within the community and across the network, as well as in their own operations. This year, I'm pleased to congratulate IKEA Ottawa for being this year's Sustainability Leader. And I'd like to welcome Julie Damaren, IKEA Ottawa's Communications Responsible, to accept the award. Welcome, Julie.
So for those of you I haven't had the chance to meet, my name is Julie. I'm the Communications Manager, as Evan was saying, here at IKEA Ottawa. And a big thank you to the Carbon 613 team and the additional program members through EnviroCentre that IKEA's had the pleasure of working with for the last 2.5 years, and for recognizing IKEA as a sustainable leader within our hub and our network across Ottawa. I want to emphasize Carbon 613 and EnviroCentre's dedication to supporting businesses in efforts to be more sustainable. As Sharon was saying, you guys have done quite a lot of work over the last while, and they've gone above and beyond to adapt to the changing circumstances brought on by COVID-19, and have ensured affiliated businesses continue to get the value from our memberships, with clear emphasis on ways to improve operations, connecting members, and providing content to engage with, and that's been absolutely fantastic and useful. 2019 really brought sustainability to center stage. And with more businesses stepping up to advocate for change, we're seeing sustainability move from the margins to a real business opportunity. Some of you may have participated in the Carbon 613 speaker series with IKEA's commitments to sustainability with my colleague Melissa. So I won't go too much into that, but it's so fantastic to have IKEA's People and Planet Positive sustainability strategy align our local ambitions with these global actions. So translated locally, there's the 3 focus areas, and they include enabling people in our markets to live healthier and more sustainably within the limits of our planet, adapting to a circular business and climate positive actions in our own operations, and hugely creating a fair and inclusive social impact to improve the well-being of those in need in our community. IKEA Ottawa has a clear goal to divert 90% of our waste each month from landfill. So currently we are achieving on average an 86% diversion rate. So everything that comes in, be it the cardboard, shrink wrap, everything that you might see or think of, our organics waste, 86% of all of that on a monthly basis is being diverted. And through the sustainability tours that we've hosted in partnership with Carbon 613, members across the network have had the chance to see this in action and how IKEA works with diversion throughout the business. I think we're going to have to figure something out with virtual tours if there's any interest for that. Locally, as we work to transform to a circular business model in line with our global targets, we have formed partnerships with local not-for-profits and social enterprises to find new ways of eliminating waste materials, for example, our display textiles, working with a local social enterprise called Eco-Equitable, and instead bringing them back into the value chain as new products with added benefits to the community. This also extends to IKEA Food in a huge way. In 2019, IKEA Ottawa achieved a 30% food waste reduction from the production in our restaurants through a food waste auditing program called Waste Watchers. And our goal is to reduce that by another 20% in 2020, and I'm proud to say that we are very much on target for that. We also replaced all of our restaurant single-use plastics with compostable solutions as well. As a result of our membership to Carbon 613, IKEA Ottawa started working with Second Harvest Food Rescue to donate excess unsold food from the IKEA restaurant and Swedish food market and our bistro. And I'm very proud to say that since April alone, locally here, we've been able to donate over $15,000 in food through the Second Harvest Food Rescue program to organizations including the Boys and Girls Club of Ottawa. With the impact of the global pandemic, IKEA Canada committed to $2.3 million to support local communities impacted by COVID-19 with relief efforts to focus on supporting both vulnerable communities and medical services with in-kind products and supply donations. And since April, kind of in line with the food as well, IKEA has been able to donate over $315,000 towards COVID-19 relief efforts. So that's comprised of food, it was N95 masks to the Ottawa hospitals, furniture, household accessories to those in the Ottawa community that faced added barriers, including our homeless communities, newcomers, refugees, and children. Over 23,000 products that we have packed and donated, and providing relief to at least 2,000 families here in Ottawa as part of that, and still going. While so much has changed in such a short time, with the help of Carbon 613, it's fantastic to see the prioritization of sustainability actions to improve our business operations, our people, and planet continuing to hold strong throughout this network. Carbon 613 has been a great partner to engage for change and continue to improve our operations. IKEA is excited to move forward with more action on our GHG reduction targets locally, along with activating our coworkers, our customers, and our community members to make a more positive, more sustainable difference in their everyday lives. If you are interested for more information around that, you can go to ikea.ca/people and planet for a little more detail. And I just want to say again a big thank you, and look forward to chatting with more people here.